topic है physical quantity. All the quantity that can be measured are called physical quantity. In physics, we study only those quantity which can be defined and measured. Quantity like length, mass, time, density, temperature can be measured, therefore they are called physical quantity. For example, the length of book can be measured, the duration of your stay at school is measurable. These are physical quantity. Physical quantity are classification into two category: base quantity, minimum number physical quantity selected and their unit are defined and such that in terms of these all other physical quantity can be expressed or called base quantity. The unit for this quantity are called base unit. Derived quantities. The physical quantity defined in terms of base quantity are called derived quantity. The unit for this quantity is called derived unit. International system of units. A complete set of units for all physical quantity is called system of unit. The international system of unit is SI unit. SI unit is short from of the France name system international unit, which means international system of unit. The international system of unit is based on seven base unit or seven basic units, from which all other unit the seven basic physical quantity these base unit ensemble are given in table. SI base units. In SI, seven physical quantity are base and their unit are defined. They are called base units. Each SI unit is defined carefully so that it is unique, that open which measurement can be made. Step for converting a number of standard from in a given number n, move the chemical point and place it after the first non-zero digit, which will make it m. If the chemical is moved toward left from its position, then the power of 10 will be positive, and whatever it is number digit thought which are the chemical point has been moved, that I will be the value of exponent power of 10. Similarly, if the chemical point moved toward right from its given position, then the power of 10 will be negative, and whatever is number of digit thought which the chemical point has been moved, that will be the value of exponent power of 10. Mechanical, it consists of two hand, a small int hand and a long second hand. Scales for each hand are marked on a circular the, to note the time. Both the hand are set at zero by pressing and releasing the knob. Has the knob pressed and released again, the watch started. In the second hand, complete to rotation of 30 seconds each. The minute hand advanced by one division when it is required to be stopped. Again, the same knob is pushed. The watch stop and time can be noted.